Hello, it's Sunday and it's raining outside.
I hope they make it safe, I hope they make it there. So hard to keep faith this high in the air.
I have the sniffles. So I can't really do the challenges this week. I can't do Erica's or Donna's because Erica, it's kind of pouring outside, so I can't really go to the park, and I think I'm like getting sick, so it's probably not a good idea. So I'll do it next week if it's warm enough. And Donna, I don't have any crackers, and I don't think it's a good idea to like eat crackers when you're about to be sick. Cue dance party. Well, that was embarrassing. Challenge time! The challenge for this week is that you have to put a spoon on your nose and try to balance it. Alright, so let's get rolling. Let's get rolling. Roll, 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 roll. 5. So, Jess. Have fun. Today's Super Mega Foxy Awesome Hot because school's over! Yeah! But I have an exam tomorrow. So, with that being said, I better let you guys go. So I will see you next week. I'm gonna go study and get some sleep and stop doing this.